At the door.
Wait a minute. Okay, here we go. Nemo has struck. And we can't quite get out of the...
Wow. Oh!
Debbie, he sinks a few feet.
Oh my
We had
goodness.
a lot of wind with this storm. It was a blizzard, you might say. Or so the meteorologist said. We
Wow.
thankfully remembered to pull the scoop out of the shed, or we'd have been doing a lot of waiting.
Holy smoke. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the drifts.
Oh, Debbie likes the drifts.
Oh, this reminds me of Rochester.
Wow.
Okay. I'll come back in a few hours, see how you're doing.
It's all going to blow back in.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta get ready now.
Wow.
Meaning I gotta put my coat on and turn the camera off.
Where do I start?
Yeah, but the whole car's almost, or half of it's cleaned off. We used to have mounds of snow on the top of the cars.
Yeah.
As many inches as there were on the ground, usually.
This is amazing. I don't think I've ever seen this much snow.
You haven't. You must have in Rochester.
Yeah, I guess so. Wow.
Okay.